A good travel umbrella should be compact enough to carry everywhere but strong enough to handle unexpected weather. This compact travel umbrella is a great everyday and travel essential. I love that it folds down into a small size, making it easy to keep in a purse, backpack, car, or luggage without taking up much space. The automatic open and close feature is very convenient, especially when you need to quickly protect yourself from sudden rain. The double canopy design with venting helps improve stability during windy conditions. While the 9 fiberglass ribs provide a sturdy feel compared to basic umbrellas, it's lightweight, portable, and practical for commuting, vacations, business trips, or daily use. If you're looking for a reliable umbrella that combines convenience, wind resistance, and easy storage, this is a great choice.